If you want.
Have you heard my Domino story?
Tell me about it.
When I was 19, I worked for Domino's. So, international franchise company. Yeah. And I remember being put in this induction room and watching a video.
Mm-hmm.
It's a training system. And it's sophisticated simplicity. I'm taught how to answer the phone to, like a 15-year-old, an idiot. Yeah. That's what I was. And every other delivery driver in the room, we're taught how to answer the phone. I became a moving part of this store that generated $500,000 of extra profit for this store from garlic bread and Coke combos, from following a little bit of information that if you are building a pizza shop, you're not going to have that bit of information.
You're not going to have it.
Domino's had it. And guess what it was? Answer the phone on the second ringtone with a perky voice. I remember this like yesterday.
With a perky voice.
With a perky voice. So the tonality. Hello, welcome to Domino's Pizza. Yeah, and there was something about that, and I watched all the other delivery drivers in my store not quite get that right. I took it really, really seriously. I was the garlic bread Coke combo upsell king for this store. 48 weeks of the 52 weeks.
That's the power of the training.
Of the training.
The power of the system, the process. Now, no one ever gets anything right the first time, or really. Yeah. And I'm really big on testing and measuring. Mm-hmm. Right? Yeah. You cannot manage something if you can't measure it.
That's right.
Right? You cannot manage it. You have to be able to measure it. So KPIs, results, all of that is all about measuring.
Exactly.
Now, if you can measure the success of your perky voice and how much you can upsell by answering on the second ring, the perky voice, doing fries with that, whatever it's going to be, compared to hello Domino's, this is Mark, can I take your order? If you compare the results of me being as boring as all shit compared to you with your perky voice, we can measure that, we can manage it. Right? You've got to manage me, you don't have to manage you.
That's
because your sales are up here. You've got to manage me to get my sales up.
That's right.
And without the right training, you're not going to get me up there. But if you train me and I'm not performing, what do they always say? Hire slowly, fire quickly. Get rid of me straight away.
I don't know how Domino's measured perky voice, but that second ringtone must have been tested over millions of phone calls worldwide.
It'd have to be, wouldn't it, with the size of them?
And that's the difference between what do you get for your money for paying the franchise royalties? Yeah. You're getting a system that makes you a big business.
That's right. That's what it's all about. And when you're buying a franchise, like the franchise fee that they pay is, I don't know, it's just like, it shouldn't even be a consideration as when they're looking at buying the business, because it's such a small amount.
It shouldn't be.
They're going to recover that money in the first half a job, as you indicated earlier, and the rest of the week is going to be their profit, right? Yeah. If they want to cut corners cut their prices right down low, it might be the first 2 jobs. Who knows? But if they follow the system, charge the right prices, and stay focused on what they're doing, the franchise fee won't even be a consideration.
Yeah, exactly.